What is up, guys? Dyna Devil Dog here, and today I'm going to be showing you some new pegs I got for the bike. Check these out. Some MotoX pegs. I got these on Amazon for 45 bucks. I couldn't find anybody on YouTube with the red ones, so I figured I'd make a quick little video for you guys if you're interested in getting the red ones. I think they look pretty good. Yeah, if you shop around for these, they can go anywhere from $120 to $160. So when I saw them on Amazon for 45 bucks, I was like, shoot, I'll pick these up. I mean, they feel good, they feel sturdy. I already went for a little ride with just this one on. It feels good, a lot of grip. I'm not sure if I'm digging the red, that metallic red yet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if I should keep them red or paint them black. But yeah, check them out. And besides the peg upgrade, we're also gonna do another upgrade. Check this out. Yep, finally did it, finally gave in, bought a fairing. Couldn't decide if I wanted to get the full fairing or the quarter fairing. Went ahead and got the quarter fairing. This thing was only 60 bucks. Another one off Amazon. Some of these other brands, you know, Memphis Shades and Moon's MC, they can go for up to $300. I was like, no thanks. So yeah, got this for 60 bucks. We're gonna mount it up there and see how she looks. Stay tuned. All right, here it is, guys, the finished product. Check it out. I think it looks pretty good. So I'll show you what I did. So on eBay and Amazon, they try selling you these clamps to come with it. They're like an extra, I don't know, 60 bucks or something crazy. But nope, wasn't feeling that either. So, yep, went ahead and just zip tied her up. Right to the brackets. The brackets come with the fairing. I don't know if you could see in there. But yeah, I mean, she's sturdy. I don't think she's going anywhere. A little ride. I got her up to about 60 miles per hour with the new quarter fairing. And yeah, it helped with the wind resistance. Probably felt like I was going maybe 50. I don't know, nothing crazy, but I could definitely tell a little bit of difference for sure on my chest. So yeah, overall I'm happy with it. Next thing I want to do is black out these forks. Pretty much anywhere you see chrome besides the engine, I want to get rid of that. So definitely stay tuned for those videos in the future. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to let me know what you guys think about these pegs. Still not sure how I feel about them, if I like the red or if I should paint them black. All right, guys, thanks.